Welcome back to the channel, guys.
Today we're going to learn how to
fly a drone.
Good job. So I want to tell you guys a little bit about the drone that we're flying today. This is a Holy Stone HS720E. I bought this off of Amazon. Decently priced for the features it has. This drone is a GPS drone. It will fly by GPS. It's actually really easy to fly. I'm a beginner. It's the first drone I've ever had, first drone I've ever picked up, and I was able to fly it on the first go around. So if I can do it, anybody can. So this is a really easy drone to fly. It has return to home. If you lose it, if you can't find it, and it's still in the air, you can hit this return to home button on here, right there, and it will fly back to the last place it took off from. It also has automatic takeoff and landing, which is still easy to take off and land with the stick, but you can automatically land it and take off with this button. It has a place for your cell phone, pops out the front. Also, it has a 4K camera on the drone itself that's on a gimbal that will rotate 90 degrees from straight out all the way to straight up and down. And you do that by this rotary dial on the back here. Turn that left and right and it'll go up and down. Has two speeds, has a slow speed and a fast speed. The fast speed is good for getting to certain areas that you want to get to. The slow speed is really good for taking cinematic videos. No, it's not herky-jerky. It's very stable whenever you use that speed 1, and it does pretty good for that. Also has a button on here to take a picture. You can take a picture from the drone. The drone itself, of course, it has a 4K camera, like I was saying. It has this array of cameras and sensors on the bottom that helps it know how close it is to the ground, and that makes it a lot easier to fly. Has an SD card input on the side. You can record all your video to the SD card. It records in 4K to the SD card. At the same time, it will also record to your phone while you're using it, but it's not 4K on your phone, so you have to keep that in mind. It came with this nice case. It also came with some extras, some extra props in case you break one of these. All in all, it's a pretty nice drone. I really like it. It's like I said, it's the first one I've ever had, and I'm a beginner, and it was really easy for me to pick up. The case it came in is really nice. It's kind of a hard-ish case, and everything you need fits inside of it. Everything it comes with fits inside of it. Also, this particular one came with 2 batteries. The batteries will last, they say 23 minutes apiece. I haven't tested that to make sure, but you can easily fly for 30-40 minutes on using both batteries. Huh?
Does it have a camera on?
It does. Look right there.
Oh, okay. Does the phone have a screen?
It does. No, you put your phone on it and you see it see the camera through your phone. All right. Turn it on. It's not going anywhere yet. Are you scared? No? I didn't think so. I didn't think you would be. Addison flew it a while ago. She flew all the way over to your house. You want to come over here and see it? See the picture? All right. So we're going to take off. First, we got to get the rotors going. Here we go. Ready? All right. We're going to take off. Hit that button right there. Yep. All right. Here we go. We're going to go up. You ready? This one goes up. Here we go.
Not all the way up.
Not all the way up? How high you want to go? You want to go higher?
Just no.
No, no. You want to go back down?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. This one goes down. Are you ready? It's going to look at you. You see you?
What? What are you looking at?
Look, there you are on the screen. Alright, let's see. Let's go up a little bit.
Oh!
Oh!
Not all the way up. I told you.
Alright, look. We're going to look down. There you are. Alright, let's go look at your house. You want to? So we're going to turn around. We're going to go towards your house. We got to go up a little higher so we don't hit the tree. Think that's high enough so we don't hit the trees? You do? Okay.
Oh.
Alright, we're going to go look at your house. Let me go a little faster. Alright, there it goes, going toward your house. You let me know when you see your house.
I saw the house.
There it is, right there. Do you want to go see Nanny and Pappy's house? Oh, went too far.
Went too far.
Way too far.
Just stop.
Stop right there?
Yes.
Okay. You want to come back down?
Yes.
Okay. Be sure not to crash into the roof. That would be a bad thing, wouldn't it? You don't want to crash. Down it comes. Now it's looking at you. I'll help you. Push this up. There it goes. Look at it.
And down.
And down. Just like a video game. How do you turn it around? Which way you want to turn it around to? You pull it this way, not that way. And it goes forward. So look at the drum. Now push it up. Push this one out. Look at the drum. Push it up. See it?
Going backward.
Good job. Now if you want to go left and right, you go. There you go. You got it. Good job. You want to go up high? No. You want to land it?
Ground.
To To the ground? Okay. Take it all the way to the ground. Good job! You flew a drone.
You see you? It sees you. I can't go over there, I'll hit the tree. Stuff with it. What are you breathing so hard for? Because I ran. Alright, you go up. And which one goes up? Nope. One goes. There you go.
Now let's see. Hold on. Let go. Don't know where it's going. It about got away from us, didn't it? It's like a bumblebee, ain't it? Dick's getting chased by a drone.
come land it, the battery's getting low. You want to land it for me? The battery's getting low. Okay. You remember how to do it? Did it?
Yes.
Good job.
Yay!
You did good, Brent.
Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to not miss a new video.
There you go. Say, this is Brent. Over and out.
This is Brent. Over and out.